XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was here, we mentioned we can look for the short-term trade, and now once it was the next. Okay, anyway, we move to higher time frame. We start the daily chart. As we can see, the price reverse. Now, want to see whether this is the start of the reversal, or we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we get the price for to reverse. Okay, the only thing is if we want to look for trade for buy based on lower time frame, we have to get the correction. Okay, in this case, we move to lower time frame, we move to forward chart, and the only things I can say, as I mentioned, based on daily chart, if we want to look for continuation, we have to price to give us a correction trade setup for buy here. Rather than that, we don't have any other option to look for trade, because based on forward chart, we don't have any trade, and the only thing is, I was even we mentioned, may this one turn to be a correction. That's why we cannot simply jump into the trade in case the price either turn to a bigger correction or reversal. Okay, and if I move to 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can look for trade. We don't have any trade set up. From now, if you want to look for trade, we can look for trade based on the small flags or based on lower time frame. But we want to see whether the price can break any previous top or not. This is what we need to be quite careful. Simply in case if this one gives us one more drop, because almost we get 1 to 3. Okay, but mostly we can expect either from here the price move higher give us a deeper correction, may similar to what we have here for continuation. That's why if we want to look for buy, we have to wait to get the proper correction and trade setup. All right, that's why we cannot simply jump into the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.